In every act of service, there is a deeper mission to become instruments of God's love, compassion, and hope. On December 14, 2025, the Spirit of Love Catholic Charismatic Community, in partnership with the junior high school and graduate school departments of San Pablo colleges, successfully conducted an outreach activity in the Marinduque Area, Barangay San Felipe, Cuenca, Batangas. More than a community gathering, the activity became a meaningful expression of faith in action, a reflection of unity, generosity, and sincere service to communities in need. Through the dedication of the volunteers who willingly offered their time, strength, and talents, the community received not only material and financial support, but also spiritual encouragement and genuine human connection. Because true service goes beyond giving, it is about making people feel remembered, valued, and loved. The program began with a vibrant and heartfelt gathering of children, parents, and volunteers united in prayer and worship. Songs of praise filled the community, while moments of prayer and thanksgiving strengthened the spirit of everyone present. Through music, dance, and worship, participants were reminded of the goodness and faithfulness of God, a source of hope that continues to guide communities through life's challenges. The activity also became an opportunity to share meaningful lessons from the Holy Scriptures, highlighting the true essence of Christmas: God's unconditional love, generosity, sacrifice, and hope for all people. As the day continued, the outreach transformed into a joyful space for learning and fellowship. Interactive games, quiz activities, and group engagements were conducted to encourage values, formation, teamwork, and positive behavior among the children and even the adults. Laughter echoed throughout the community as participants actively joined every activity prepared with love and care. These simple yet meaningful experiences reminded everyone that learning, faith, and joy become even more powerful when shared together. To further celebrate the spirit of sharing, food and refreshments were also distributed to all participants. For many families, these moments were not only about receiving assistance, but about experiencing the warmth of a community that genuinely cares. More importantly, the outreach activity became a living testimony of God's love expressed through concrete and meaningful action. It reflected the mission of the Spirit of Love Catholic Charismatic Community and San Pablo colleges to serve with faith, compassion, and unity. Aligned with SDG 3, Good Health and Well-Being, SDG 4, Quality Education, and SDG 17, Partnerships for the Goals, the initiative demonstrated how faith-based service and collaborative community engagement can inspire hope and strengthen human connections. Because when communities come together with love and purpose, lives are touched, hearts are strengthened, and hope continues to shine. As the outreach activity came to an end, one message remained clear: that even the simplest acts of kindness can become powerful expressions of God's love. And through every prayer, every smile, and every helping hand extended, the Spirit of Love Catholic Charismatic Community and San Pablo colleges continue their mission of bringing light, hope, and compassion to every community they reach. Because every service rooted in faith creates a lasting impact, one heart, one family, and one community at a time. San Pablo Colleges, a caring community for sustainable development.